I-5.
We've got another weekend of Revive I-5 work where Interstate 5 northbound is going to be reduced to 2 lanes. In addition, we have a 2-lane early morning closure on the Ship Canal Bridge. We've put these two projects together because it allows us to complete more work with less disruption to drivers. We need to repair some concrete on the Ship Canal Bridge because the next repaving project out there is in the mid-2020s. So we need to keep that bridge functioning for another 6-8 years.
I'm rolling.
We saw about 55% of drivers choose to do something else last week, use an alternate route or an alternate means. We saw about half-hour delays on northbound I-5, probably 4 to 5 miles. We also saw delays on northbound 405, 509, 599, and 99. If drivers choose to do something else this weekend again, we will see shorter delays. If drivers try to use northbound I-5, we're still going to see longer delays. We have several weekends of work remaining. The weekend of June 2nd and 3rd will be our first weekend where there's going to be a full closure of northbound I-5 at the West Seattle Bridge. Our second full closure is going to be the weekend of July 13th to 16th. Our other scheduled closure is August 14th and 15th. We always work with our partners like the Seattle Mariners as we plan for our weekend closures. They're aware of it, they're helping us get our message out, and we sure appreciate that. We're messaging it heavily so that people know to leave early, take alternate routes. Light rail is a great way to get to the ball game. So if people use these alternatives, we're going to see fewer backups. We need to work weekends. There's never a good weekend. There's always a game, a marathon, a big concert. There's always something happening. We work to choose weekends when there are events that we can basically work around when we have our closures. We're going to do work on the northbound I-5 Ship Canal Bridge. It'll basically be an extension of the Revive I-5 work. We're going to work from 3 a.m. to noon on Saturday, and then from 3 a.m. to 11 on Sunday, we're going to have closures as well. So during that time, drivers will still see some backups, but they're already narrowed down for the Revive I-5 work, so that's going to help keep traffic moving.